Welcome back, dear students. Now we are gonna to take these lessons talking about factorizing quadratic trinomial in the form ax2 plus bx plus c. But this lesson is talking about the coefficient of x square is not equal to 1 and is not a common factor. First we have to know the steps, which are: number one, arrange the power of the x descendingly. Number two, taking out the highest common factor. Number three, starting factorization. Number four, check. Okay, by taking this exercise, factorize number one, 3x squared plus 13x plus 12. Here we have the coefficients 3 and 13 and 12 has no common factor, okay, and the power of x is arranged descendingly, x power 2, then x, then the free term. Now we are gonna to start the factorization the following. How we can do this factorization? First of all, we're gonna to change this form to make it easy to solve it. We will gonna to take this coefficient 3 and multiplying to the last term, so it will gonna to be x squared plus 13x plus 36, and then we will gonna to starting factorization as we do before. X squared, which will be x and x. 36, its factors are 1 times 36, 2 times 18, and 3 times 12, and 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Okay, how I can select the suitable factorization? We will gonna to take sum of them is equal to 13. Sum is equal to 13, so we're gonna to take 4 and 9. 4 and 9. As this last term is positive, so the two brackets have the same sign at the middle, so it's positive. But these two brackets are not our real brackets. We changed the example as we said before. So I will gonna to make divided by 3 in the two terms, divided by 3 here and divided by 3 here. X 4 over 3, or 4 divided by 3, it's not divisible by 3, so I will gonna to rewrite this term in this form. 3 will gonna to go up in front of 3, so it will be 3x plus 4. Okay, x plus 9 over 3, its the simplest form is 3, so x plus 3. So the final factorization of the expression 3x squared plus 13x plus 12, it will gonna to be 3x plus 4, 3x plus 4 times x plus 3. The last step is to check out our answer. Okay, 3x times x is equal to 3x squared, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Here the product of means is 4x and the product of extremes is 9x. The sum of them is 13x. Number 2, how we can do factorization for this form? As we said before, 2 we're gonna to multiply it by the last term or the free term, so it will gonna to be x squared minus x minus 12. The factor of 12 are 1 times 12 and 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. We need to take that difference between them is equal to 1, so the two factors or the two suitable factors are 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Here x and x. The two brackets, this negative means the two brackets have different sign. The big like the middle, so the negative will be with the 4 and the x will be positive. but we have to rewrite these brackets according to the example. We make multiplied by 2, so we're gonna to make the inverse operation, which is divided by 2. The two factors will gonna to be divided into 2. Here the simplest form يبقى x minus 4 over 2 is equal to 2, and 3 over 2 hasn't the simplest form, so 2 will gonna to be in front of x to be 2x plus 3. By checking out this form, x times 2x will be 2x, negative 2 times 3, it will gonna to be negative 6. The product here, the product of means is negative 4x. The product of extremes is equal to 3x. Sum of them is equal to negative 1. Okay, we will see number 3, exercise number 3. Here this form is not arranged well. So we're gonna to arrange it according to the descending power of the symbol. So 5a square, it will be the first term, then plus 6a minus 27. Okay, also here we will gonna to take the 5 and multiply it by the last term, which is equal to a square plus 6a minus 135. I'm gonna to make factorized a square, it will gonna be factorized into a times a. What about 135? The factors of 135 are 1 times 135 and 3 times 45 and 5 times 27 and 9 times 15. How I can choose the suitable factorized? I will gonna to take the difference between them is equal to 6. Difference between them is equal to 6, so I will gonna to take 9 and 15. Here is 9 and 15. Also this negative means the two brackets have different sign. The biggest one take like the middle, so 15 will gonna to be positive and 9 will gonna to be negative. Okay, then we will gonna to make a divided by 5 in the two brackets, so it's a. 9 over 5 hasn't a simplest form, so 5 will gonna to be in front of 8, so it's 5a minus 9. What about 15 over 5 has a simplest form, which is equal to 3, so it's a plus 3. Okay, last one. Here we have the terms of this expression are arranged x squared, then x, then a free term. Also y, the power of the unknown y is also arranged from the opposite side, y squared, then y, then the free term. We will gonna to start factorizing by taking the 12 multiplied by the last term, so it will gonna to be x squared plus 28 xy minus 60y squared. Okay, we will gonna to start factorization. X squared will gonna to be x and x, y squared will gonna to be y and y. 60, the factors of 60 are 1 times 60 and 2 times 30 and 3 times 20 and 4 times 15 and 5 times 12. How we can select the suitable one? By taking the difference between them is equal to 28. The difference between 28, so I will gonna to take 2 times 30, and the difference between them must be 28. The biggest one of them, the biggest one will gonna to take at the middle, so the 30 will be positive and the 2 will gonna to be negative. And we must rewrite these two brackets, okay, by making a divisible division by 12. Okay, so it will be x minus 1 over 6y and x plus 5 over 2 5/2y. Rewrite this fraction. 6 will gonna to be in front of x, so it will be 6x minus y, and 2x plus 5y. By checking out my answer is 6x times 2x. It's rightly corrected. 12x squared. Negative y plus times 5y, it will gonna to be negative 5y. The product of means is negative 2xy. The product of extreme is 30xy. By addition, we're gonna to take 28xy. So we finished this problem. Thank you and goodbye.